Hey, it's Janice here, and I have some humongous news that I just discovered about my new book, Paris Letters. It is the memoir of the letters that I actually paint up and mail out to people. It's a story of how they came about. And the news is it's already in its second printing. It's not even available yet in stores, but there has been so much media attention and good stuff happening that they have it in a second printing, which is, oh my gosh, it's happening. So thank you for all the pre-orders, because it's because of you. And if it's not because of you, because you didn't pre-order, go and pre-order now. It's coming out in February. Great Valentine's gift. But in the meantime, you can get a subscription for somebody for Christmas of the actual Paris Letters. Here is one that I just finished. It's about Antoine, the public poet down the street. And it's a lovely little story. You can pre-order the book, or you can subscribe to the letters at the links somewhere on this page. And happy holidays. Thank you for all the buzz. Keep the buzz going. Awesome.